There's a little trick to get young birds loft flying. They're just sitting around the loft here and not taking off. This is what you do. You have to catch them and take it down the road half a block or by the house or something, but this is how you do it. With my son here, I'm gonna catch a few of these young birds here. Okay, go ahead, catch that one. All right, so the little bird here. This is what you do. All right, let's go out. Or just take it to the front of the yard. You can take it to the front yard, around the corner, down the block or something, up to you. Alright, so we're just gonna take it here, and the bird will probably just fly down there to the loft. Alright, hold on. Okay, go ahead, just release it. They land on the loft, but repeat this process a couple times. They'll build their confidence up and then they'll start flying around.